Hi everybody, welcome to the video. Today we are going to touch on a very important topic, weekly option trading. We're going to talk about 92.96% weekly hedge strategy. Naturally, we're going to discuss about the adjustments. I'm going to tell you the tricks on how do I look to increase on my ROI. It's going to be a very interesting video if you have interest in trading weekly options. Naturally, we're going to talk about the strength and the weakness as well. So very interesting video. And straight away on the point, I'm going to tell you how to create the strategy. And after that, some extremely important points which you must learn. So here we are on the option simulator right now. We're going to create the strategy. But before I start, I want to ask you two important questions. Number one, why do a trader look to trade weekly options? Because weekly options give us theta. Point number two, we want an extremely wide range when we trade weekly options. This strategy is supposed to give us both. So let's go for that. This is at the money right now. I look to create it on the put side. As a sample, you can make it on the call side as well as you wish. So first things first, I'm gonna buy a put option which is really far. As you can see, market is 24,1000. I've really gone further out. I've bought a put option. After that, I look to sell two put options. So here we go. I select the next strike and here I sold two, and after that I go really further down and now I want to buy a put option which is further out of the money. And we are going to have a basic structure. Remember, two things I told you. Let's see if we're able to achieve these two things. First things first, if you have a look here, is 92.97%, as I told you at the beginning of the video. Now let's zoom in a bit and look at some more nitty-gritties of it. Number one, this is a hedge strategy. So the margin which we pay is not on the high side because we are selling and we are buying a put option as well. If I zoom in and I show you really clearly, number one, this is a weekly strategy. I hope you're learning it very carefully. The break even on the downside is 23,247. Where is the market? The market is 24,103. As you can see, there's a big difference here. Break even is right here, really far further out of the money. Number 2 point which you see is when we sell any kind of an option, the number one challenge is that near to the expiry, usually market gives some kind of a spike. Not all expiries, but some expiries. Now in that situation, it becomes very difficult to handle because a 5 rupee option can become a 50 rupee option. Here we have the peak which gives the maximum potential at 9,874, which translates to approximately 13% as per the simulator. If market really go up, in that situation, what do you see? The profit is little less. Now this is where I step in and I teach you that if you move your sold strike a bit up, can we able to increase on our POP? Let's just see. If I go 23,450, I've just moved 50 points up my sold put strike. Nothing fancy, easy to learn, easy to teach. If I do this, then what do you see is now, if market continue going up or if market stays here, what do we see is a flat line is 910 on a capital deployment of 80,000. Here is 910, so roughly approximately 1 point something percent in a week. Now I do not start so aggressive. 1% in 1 week with such a long range, this may look small, but when you compound it, 4 weeks in a month comes out to be 4% in a month. Plus, if market really run up fast, in that situation, it's a completely flat line. Only three things are going to happen with the market. Number one, market expect to really rocket up. This strategy covers, good see it. Number two, market stays where it is or market goes slightly down. In that situation, you see the flat line is there. Number three, market can go down. Market can go down also is not much of an issue here because I do not start my trade targeting 1%. 1% is big in a week. I target something like this, and as the day progresses, I can always move this put to 23,450, or to collect more ROI, I can move it to 23,500. I hope this point which I am teaching you is crystal clear for us. We want safety and we want ROI. If we go too aggressive on the ROI, then we are compromising on the safety. If we go too safe, then if market stagnates, it's not much of an ROI. It is safe, we understand, but I want an ROI as well. So this is the middle path. Start safe, and if market starts to behave, theta decays fast in weekly option, we are all aware of it, then we can move it next day, and then next day as close to expiry we get. This point is very interesting. I wanted to make a very good note of this. Also, I made a strategy in the past, 1:5 RR. That is a video which I want you to watch immediately after this. And if something like this interests you, the moving parts of options, which strategy to deploy, which strike to select, exactly how to trade it into the options with a lot of confidence. And if you want to level up and learn, the form is on the first pinned comment. We're having a session on Sunday morning 10 a.m. If you want to get the details, it takes 10 seconds to fill the form, and you can have all details on your mobile phone. So far, it's clear. Now, I want to tell you some more things about the strike selection. Now, can we do this on monthly also? Let me show you on the simulator, and then we're going to talk more about this. So here's another example for you. This time I've selected monthly option, which is August, as you can see on your screen. This is especially for busy working professionals who want really big range. Now you want to see the range. You see market currently is around 24,200 here. Our break even is so down, as if I can scroll and if I can show you, 22,688. Market currently is 24,197. Do you see the difference? Let me calculate it for you. It will be even better. So 24,197 minus 22,688 is 1,500 points range. Now, obviously, you can increase the range, you can decrease the range, completely depends on you. Remember, this put is in our control. We can move it up and we can move it down. I hope this point, which I repeated twice, you're really making a note of it, because you're learning something. High POP, long range, how to reduce the risk. The stop loss which I keep here is 1% weekly. With the target of 1% is what I focus here. I want you to really remember this line which I told you. सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिना सीखे तो इंसान साइकिल भी नहीं चला सकता. And this is an option trading, and we know very well it is quite challenging because of lot of noise. There has to be 100% understanding on what exactly is the game plan, the strategy, the execution power, profit booking target, and hard exit. In this video, I'm not covering the adjustment part. I can really go advanced on adjustment, but not on this video. Your comments will tell me if you're able to understand it so far. One very important point for people who stick till the end of the video. Gamma works here in our favor. What is gamma? Usually close to the expiry, spikes होते हैं. ₹5 का option becomes 50, 60, right? We all have seen it become quite common now. This peak which we have, this peak make us comfortable if market really starts to fall on the expiry day. So this helps us. That's why we have the peak here. Let me show you what exactly I mean. So here, this is what I mean is that this peak which you see, the maximum profit is 10,588. बुरे से बुरा क्या होगा strategy में is what you could see here. Max loss. This is without adjustment, I'm telling you. Maximum loss is minus 12,162. This is as per the simulator. Obviously, it can go little up or down, depends on the market condition, because it's a hedged strategy. Three things can happen. Market can go up, sideways, or down. Strike selection पे focus करना है. Make sure we don't go too aggressive. We can go too aggressive as the series progresses. Maybe 1 week into the series or 2 weeks if we are trading monthly. If we are trading weekly, the time frame छोटा हो जाता है. And then we got to try and move the sold strike थोड़ा सा ऊपर so that we collect more credit. Watch this video again, especially how do we create this particular strategy. I hope that you understood the main points in the video, 2-3 bullet points in this particular video. That's the exact reason why I tell you, hit and trial way of trading, one must completely avoid into the markets. Just like you've learned the maximum profit, the maximum loss, some points on how to adjust it as well. And of course, the POP. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the very best and continuous success and continuous good, strong learning. Wish you all the best. Take care. Signing off. Bye-bye.